Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie and we're back again here at Learn with Katie, and today I'm going to share with you a very simple animated greeting using Powtoon.com. So what you are looking at right now is the Powtoon interface. This is what you see once you sign up, and right now what we are going to choose here on top for the area where it says what type of Powtoon would you like to create would be an explainer video. So just click on that and click on see more, and then the page will load and there would be suggestions on what you can create. But what I want to do is to look for holiday themed videos so I can work on a New Year greeting. So what we are searching for right now are available templates that we can use. So I will click on holidays and I will look for a New Year themed template. So I guess this one is good. So I'll click on use. So let me just remove this. Okay. So it's gonna take a little bit of time because some of the templates are quite long. So this one I think is less than a minute, but for videos that's already a bit long. So that's 44 seconds for this. I still have the option to remove some of the slides, or I can add some more if I want to. So the first one, it says dear name of family, friend, or whomever else. So what I'm going to do is to replace this to another year has passed, but 2018 was indeed an awesome year. Okay, now I'm not quite happy with the font that's in here, so I'm gonna find another font that we can use. Here you click this, and I'm gonna find something that's quite unique. So let's see. Okay, I like this one because it looks like it's a reflection of the spotlights. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna look better in bold. Okay, I think I like it. So let's do a little bit of preview. By the way, there are two editing modes that you can choose from. Right now we are on quick edit, but if you want to see all the things right here, all the toolbars and all that stuff, you can go to full studio, so you can get full timeline control of what you are doing. So here, let me see. Okay, so let's see the second one. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the color of the balloons. Instead of yellow, I'm gonna change it. Let's see if we are able to. Okay, I think we can. Let's see. No, we can't. So I think the setup for this template, the color of the balloons are already set to yellow, and no, we cannot. So I tried, but we can't change it. So let's leave it at that. And then the next one, let's read what the message says. Let's see if we can change this. No, we can't change the colors as well. How about this one? No. Okay, let's leave it at that. Okay, I think here we can change the color of 2019. Yes, we can. I'm gonna change this to pink just because. Okay, there, I like it. It doesn't look that plain. And I'm going to change this race as well. I'm gonna change that and make it white. Okay, and the other one, make it white. There you go. And white. All right, now it's white, and I'm going to change this one, this little animated person right here, and characters. So I can swap it and choose another option. I think I'm gonna choose not this one. I'm gonna choose my favorite character, which is this person. And the happy version. Created another one, but this one, let's just change to happy there. And I'm gonna change the dad as well. I'm gonna change it to, I think this person is cool enough. And then I'm gonna add one of the little kids, this little girl. And then change her to happy also. Okay, there. And that's just about it. You just have to swap things, you change things, you change colors so that the template will be a little bit different from what it was. And let's see if we can change the background. Oh, yay, we can. Okay, but of course it's nighttime already, so we don't have to, so I'll undo that. Okay, get your resolutions ready, and let's make 2019 the best year yet. Okay, that's cool enough. I think I'm okay with it. And then it says Happy New Year, wishing you a fantastic year ahead. So I'm gonna change this area where it says your name. I'm gonna change it to my name. All right, and then I'm gonna change the font as well. Let's see what font this is because I like it. It's Lovelo Black, so I'm gonna choose Lovelo Black as well. Let's just type it. Okay, there you go. And I'm gonna put it down here and change it to white. Okay, so it's a little different from the previous color. So let's preview our work, and if it's okay already, then I'm going to export it. And what I'm going to do is to add it to the video clip that I'm recording right now so you can see the final product. Okay, I'm gonna choose MP4. And then change this HNY, and then so I can remember which file I'm editing. Because even if you have already exported it, you can still edit it for another project. So if you want to repurpose it, you can edit the file as is, or you can actually duplicate it so that you retain, that's the right term, you retain the old file. So duplicating the file is like saving as, so save as, there. Now, personal, social, and fun, events and greeting cards, it's the most appropriate category. And then I'll choose public and then click next. And then here, because I have a Pro Plus account, I can actually choose the quality that I want. So I want to hide the branding, and then the full HD 1080p for quality. So download Powtoon. All right, and then it will go to my email, and I'm just gonna wait once it's in the email already. So there you go. That's our lesson for today. It's about editing a template in Powtoon. And if you have any questions about how to do that, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below, and I will make sure to get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you come back again for another tutorial, and thank you so much for supporting KT Paper Designs as well as Learn with KT. And I'm here to so that we can continue with our advocacy to teaching one. So each one teach one, so spread the good vibes, spread the learning. And if you have other questions and if you have suggestions for topics, please let me know, and I'll try to make a video so that you can have what you requested. Thank you again, and you have a great night or you have a great day. Happy New Year, everyone. Bye-bye.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow